Hey guys, so do you remember this? This guy? The guy that kind of wrecked me. Yeah, the jumping dinosaur thing. Well, we have a new one. Cause it's kind of like the last video. Kind of. I tried to do this, it didn't really work. I had to delete it, but hey. Let's do some. If you know this, you're pretty cool then. Yeah. That's the little animation, and then we have it. Has 0 skull and veil hates units. So we have to try to click when that's in the middle like that. One shot hit. Every time you get in the middle, you get one shot hit. You have to make it so the spices don't kill this guy right here in the sky. Start testing out the peppers and stuff. Okay, let's read the info. Jalapeno pepper. First peppers to travel into space. Peppers to travel into space. It's a pepper. Not there. Wait. Oh my god, that was so close though. There you go. He's dead. Okay, write down his notes. Here we go. 3 peppers. Wait, what? Canine pepper, named after a canine in French Guyane. I think that's what it says anyway. It's kind of harder, but you almost one-shotted him. Okay, we get 2-shotted them. Then there's 3 people. Go. Okay, what do we got here? Ghost pepper. First pepper to hit 1 million Sabotino hits unit. This is very hard. Ooh, very close though. Ooh, that was so close. Yay, we did it. In 2 shots. I wonder what's next. I actually got to this thing and died, so hopefully I beat my high score. Here we go. Time limit. Over 2 million Sabotino units. He's big. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, that's horrible. I need to one-shot this. What? I didn't do anything. So that's what happens when he beats you. That's kind of hard. I don't like that, but anyway, that's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm blinking a lot. Thank you. Click. He just literally died. Okay, no more of that. Stop it. It's got a little mashup like we did last time, so that's gonna be cool. And yeah, I tried to still upgrade that Minecraft parkour thing. I think I deleted that. I'm not exactly sure, but who knows? And yeah, so I'm just gonna pause the video, or maybe pause the video. I don't know. Probably not. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. I'll be back. Okay, so we're here. And before you look at these, I want you to look at the tab. Nyan Cat Original. But there's a Neon Dog, so I want to look at that later. Here we go. Nyan Cat reaction. This is awesome. It has 1 million likes, by the way. Okay, so that was enough of that. Let's see what this Neon Dog thing is. Neon Dog. There you go. Before producing. Okay, are you gonna... Neon Dog. After a load of processing... This is awesome. I love how people do this. I love it. Good job. Okay, that's enough. Is there a neon bird? I want to know. Neon bird. Neon bird. There's a neon bird! I don't want to see this. Well, that's not what I expected. Neon cat around the world. God. Jeez. Okay, it's enough neon cat. Enough neon cat. Okay. Enough neon cat. Enough neon cat. Oh, enough neon cat. I tell you, enough neon cat. And so now, we reach the Try Not to Laugh or Grin Challenge in company of 2018 February by Awesome Life. Life Awesome, whatever that is. Oh yeah, I see that, by the way. Yeah, we're just gonna, here we go. I seen it. Well, not seen it. That must be very cold. You must want to go to a hot tub. He's gonna die. Yeah, you're high. That was funny. He's gonna fall. He's gonna fall right here. I knew that. He did not laugh. That's not good.
You gotta go vroom vroom beep beep.
He's dead. I did not smile. I did not smile. Oh god, this is crazy. That was absolutely nonsense. Oh god. That was so bad. Okay. Well.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Like not.
Why not?
Hi.
Hi. And also, face cam doggy of the neon dog. Say hi. They had surgery today, all of them. So I'm trying to be careful as possible, but so not to let it fall. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you all later, man. Bye.